Common reasons why MacBook isn't charging and how to fix. Check MacBook temperature. Overheating is a common issue with laptops, and it can cause damage to the internal components. If your MacBook is not charging while plugged in, it could be a sign of a problem with the charging system or battery, which could also contribute to overheating. Check the outlet. A faulty outlet could be the reason why your MacBook is not charging. You can check if the power outlet works by plugging in another device, such as a phone or a lamp. If the outlet works correctly, the problem may be with the charging cable or the MacBook itself. Check your Mac's charger and cable. The cable or charger may be damaged or not making a proper connection. If you have one available, try using a different cable or charger or plugging the charger into another outlet to see if that makes a difference. Restart your MacBook. Select the Apple logo and click Restart. Confirm the action by clicking on Restart. Disable optimized battery charging. Click the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Go to Battery Settings. Next to Battery Health, click the info icon. Disable the Optimized Battery Charging feature and click Done. Check the battery health. Click the Apple logo at the top left corner and select System Settings. Go to Battery Settings. Next to Battery Health, click the info icon. Next to Battery Condition, see the battery status. Update macOS. Click the Apple logo and select System Settings. Go to General and click Software Update. Wait for your MacBook while it searches for updates. If an upgrade is available, click Update Now and restart Mac. Reset System Management Controller. Shut down your MacBook. Press and hold the Shift, Control, and Option keys on your keyboard, then press and hold the power button simultaneously. Release all keys. Press the power button to turn on your device. Check running apps. Check if any running apps consume a lot of battery power and close them. At the same time, press the Command and Space keys on your keyboard and enter Activity Monitor. Select the app you want to close and click the X icon. Click Force Quit. To keep your Mac clutter and virus-free, download the Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. The disk cleaner will scan Mac for application cache, logs, browser data, and other useless files that can be safely removed to regain valuable disk space. It will also show you how much space what files take up in storage. With Combo Cleaner you can look through all big files with ease and delete the ones you don't need. You can also scan for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. With Privacy Scanner, eliminate data stored when browsing the internet, including cookies, history, cache, and other files that can reveal your private information. The Uninstaller feature allows you to find hidden components of applications and uninstall them from your Mac completely with just a couple of clicks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.